Our production of Midsummer Night's Dream takes place in about the late 1800s.
Just an interesting clash of the first decade of modern age juxtaposed with fantasy.
Midsummer Night's Dream has always been my favorite Shakespeare play and one of my favorite plays of all time. It's a very fun cast of characters. It's probably the most lighthearted of Shakespeare's plays.
It's really hard not to laugh when you're watching Midsummer Night's Dream.
It's such like a crazy story. It's pretty complex. There's a lot of main characters. There's a fairy world, there's a normal world.
It was just fun, and I think everybody in the cast had a fun time.
The characters are very memorable. You always kind of remember the one Shakespeare with the guy turned into a donkey.
What stands out about this play is just how smooth it was.
It was a lot smaller cast.
It's a pretty tight-knit group.
The casting seemed really spot on, and it felt very natural for everybody.
We brought out, I think, as much comedy as we possibly could, and it makes it really enjoyable, and it makes the characters more lovable.
That you should think we come not to offend, but with goodwill.
I've always loved Peter Quince. She is the leader of this group called the Mechanicals. They're these rough common workers who live in Athens. They're so terrible, and Quince thinks that they're gonna do this amazing job.
I'll be an auditor. An actor too, perhaps, if I see call. Getting the chance to play Puck, it was fun to just give myself total freedom to be mischievous and like mess around. Like honestly, I don't think I've ever played a role that like brought out my inner child more than Puck did. It was fun to experiment and just play around, and every show was a little different.
Stand forth, Demetrius. My noble lord, this man hath my consent to marry her.
Well, there is no chasing her in this fierce vein.
He's really competitive, and he always wants what he can't have. I think everybody can relate to that. He's kind of extreme about it, but he's this guy that's been around with girls, and he's got a lot of stuff that most people don't. And still, the only thing he really wants is the one girl that he can't have because she says no.
When it comes to doing a historical piece, Edwardian is really fun in that it's really that kind of cusp of what you would imagine of like corsets and hoop skirts meeting modern. It still has a romantic sense to it where it's people still have gloves, people still are wearing hats. I'm drawn to times that really love beauty. It's how can I give the effect with what I have, and going through a list of priorities of what is the most important part. Is the most important part making sure they have historically accurate buttons, or making sure that they have a correct silhouette?
Let's follow him. And by the way, let us recount our dreams.
We really bonded as a group, and that was something that was really special to me, and I really found that I had grown as a person, and so I not only found Quince, but I was able to find myself, which I think was a really wonderful closing, especially because it is my last production at JPCatholic in the theater program.
I mean, it's sad because I don't know when the next time I'll be in a play, and I love doing live theater, and especially with my acting class, like it's been such a joy to be with them and act with them one more time so closely.
You experience so much emotionally with these people. Pretty sure we've like all seen each other cry. You know, we've all seen us at our highest and lowest point, and you know, everybody's always so accepting and like willing to talk about stuff. So I've never had another group of people that I could just be open with, and vice versa, I think. I was lucky to have this kind of cast in this group.
I really enjoyed my experience with Guys and Dolls.
You're really building a family and creating something magical for the audience.
It's always super fun working with the cast and the crew with our director, Professor Bitsko.
It was exciting for me because I've never done a musical. When you actually see it happening, you feel proud about like all your work.